Hi guys, this is Teacher Mel and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today we're going to learn about division of mixed numbers. But before we start, shout out to all my subscribers. Okay, thank you for subscribing and thank you for staying in my channel. And shout out to all my maths fanatics. Okay, so if you are ready to learn about how to divide mixed numbers, so stay tuned and let's go. Okay, so how to divide mixed number. Okay, for example, if you have 3/7 over 8, okay, 3/7/8 divided by let's say 5 and 5/8. Okay, that is our mixed number. So first step is to convert the mixed number into improper fractions. Okay, so in here, so we are going to multiply 8 times 3 plus 7. Yeah, so 8 times 3 plus 7. So what is 8 times 3? Okay, so what is 8 times 3? 8 times 3 is 24 plus 7 is 31. Yeah, so 31/8. Just copy the denominator. Okay, so 8 times 3 is 24 plus 7 is 31. Divided by, so divided by, again here, 8 times 5 plus 5. So that's how to convert mixed number into improper fractions. Okay, so 8 times 5 is 40 plus 5 is 45. So you will get 45/8. Okay, so now since you converted mixed number into improper fractions, so if you still remember the lesson in my previous video on how to divide fractions, so what is the first step? Okay, so you just copy. Okay, so this will become, just copy the first fraction or the dividend, that is 31/8, and then instead of division, so we change it into multiplication. So we change it into multiplication and then change the position of the divisor. So 45 will go down and 8 will go up. Okay, so it will become 8/45. Okay, so 8/45. Now as you can see, 8 and 8 can be divided by 8. So 8 divided by 8 is 1. Yeah, so it can be divided by 8, or 8 is divisible by 8. Okay, so 8 divided by 8 is 1, and 8 divided by 8 is also 1. Okay, so all you have to do is 31 times 1. So 31 times 1 is, so 31 times 1 is what? So 31 times 1 is equal to 31 over 1 times 45 is 45. Okay, so if this number cannot be reduced into its lowest term, so we can stay in this answer. So 31/45. That's the answer when we divide 3 and 7/8 by 5 and 5/8. Right? Okay, so let's take another example. So if you have 10 and 4/9. So you have 10 and 4/9 divided by 2 and 4/7. So again, the first step is we have to convert the mixed number into improper fraction. So what is improper fraction again? So improper fraction is the numerator is bigger or equal to the denominator. Okay, so convert this mixed number 10 and 4, 9 to improper fraction. So how? We just multiply 9 times 10 plus 4, and then the answer is 94 over, copy the denominator, over 9. So 9 times 10 is 90 plus 4 is 94. Okay, divided by, so the same process, 7 times 2 plus 4, right? So 7 times 2 is 14 plus 4 is 18. So you have 18 over 7. Okay, so we converted the mixed number into improper fractions already. Now the next step is, so this part, so we just copy the first fraction, so 94 over 9. So 94 over 9. Then instead of division, we change it into multiplication, right? Then we swap the second fraction, we change the position, so 18 will go down and 7 will go up, right? Okay, so it will become 7 over 18. Okay, it will become 7 over 18. Now if we keep on, as you can see, this one, okay, this one, that number are both divisible by 2. Let's start with the smallest divisor. Okay, so when you divide 18 by 2, right? When you divide 18 by 2 and then 94 by 2, so 18 will become 9 and 94 will become 40. 40 is 80, 47. Yeah, so it will become 47, right? So 94 will be divided by 2 is 47, and 18 divided by 2 is 9. Okay, so is there any number that we can reduce into its lowest term before we multiply? So if it's no more, then it will become 47 times 7 over 9 times 9. Okay, so, like that. And what is 47 times 7? So it will become 47 times, let's start, 7 times 7 is 49, carry over 4, 7 times 4 is 28, so 32, 329. So 47 times 7 is 329, and then 9 times 9 is 81. Okay, so 9 times 9 is 81. Now we have to simplify. 329 divided by, what is 329 divided by 81? So if we're going to divide into normal, if we're going to do the normal division process, so 329 divided by 81. Okay, so 329 divided by 81. So how many 81 can you make from 329? Okay, so we can make 481 out of 329. So 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 8 is 32. Okay, and then minus, so 5. 9 minus 4 is 5. So therefore, so we can take this one as the whole number. So that means we can make 481 out of 329. Remainder 5 over 81, and that is our answer when we divide 10 and 4 over 9 by 2 and 4 over 7. Alright, so yeah. Okay, let's take the third example. Okay, so for example, if you have, let's take the easiest one. Okay, so let's say it is 3 and 1 over 3. Okay, 3 and 1/3 divided by 1 and 3 over 8. Okay, so division. First step, we have to convert the mixed number into its improper fraction. Okay, so 3 times 3 is 9, plus 1 is 10. So 10, and then copy the denominator, 3. So 3 and 1/3 in improper fraction is 10 over 3. Divided by, so it's 8 times 1 plus 3. So 8 times 1 is 8, plus 3 is 11 over 8. Okay, now, okay, in here, so let's take from this part, we just copy the first fraction or the dividend, and that is 10 over 3. And then instead of division, we change it into multiplication. Alright, now in the second fraction or in the divisor, we change the position. So 11 will go down and 8 will go up. Okay, so it will become 8 over 11. Okay, so as you can see in this example, we cannot reduce it into lowest term. Okay, because there is no number that we can divide these fractions to make it smaller. So what are we going to do? So all we have to do is directly multiply. Right, so directly multiply. So 10 times 8 is equal to 80 divided by 3 times 11. So directly multiply 3 and 11. So that is 33. So the question now is, how many 33 can you make out of 80, or can you make from 80? So how many 33 can you make from 80? So if you're going to do the normal division or the traditional way of dividing numbers, so it will become like 80 divided by 33. So you can make 233 out of 80. So that is 66. What is 80 minus 66? So this one will become 7, this one is 10, it will become 4, 14. Yeah, so 14. So that means you can make 233 and the remainder is 14 out of 33. Alright, so that's the answer. This is the answer when you divide 3 and 1/3 by 1 and 3 over 8. Alright, so hope you like it and hope you've learned from this topic. Okay, if you want to learn more about math lessons, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my videos. And then stay tuned for upcoming videos. Right, thank you so much. Bye.